In part 1, you got the diagnosis. You saw the prison. Now, forget it. Knowing the name of your disease won't save you. This is not a motivational speech. This is a protocol, a step-by-step system to hack your own operating system. You were programmed. Now, you will reprogram. The boy is dead. The man begins here, right now. Step 1. Information blackout. Your mind is a battlefield, and you're letting the enemy broadcast 24/7. Total information blackout. For the next 72 hours, you are a ghost. Delete all social media apps from your phone. Turn off every news notification. You are not missing out. You are cutting the poison IV drip. This creates a vacuum, a silence. And in that silence, you will hear your own thoughts, not their thoughts, yours. This is not optional. This is the foundation. The chaos stops now. Step 2. The digital auction. Look at your screen time report. It's a receipt for your sold attention. Every minute on TikTok, every scroll through Instagram, that's you auctioning pieces of your life, auctioning them for pennies of dopamine. Today, you reclaim that time. You will not reduce it. You will delete it. Every minute you save is a minute you invest back into your own army, into your own skills, into your own mission. Time is the currency of gods, and you've been spending it like a beggar. That stops today. Step 3. Rituals over decisions. You fail because you rely on motivation. Motivation is a fair weather friend. It abandons you when you need it most. The solution? Rituals. Automated. Non-negotiable actions. You don't decide to wake up at 5 a.m. It's just what you do. You don't choose to train. It's who you are. Your first ritual starts tomorrow. The 5 a.m. protocol. Wake up. 1 liter of cold water. 10 minutes of intense exercise. No phone. No excuses. You are not making a choice. You are executing code. The code of a warrior. Step 4. Identity rewrite. You introduce yourself by your job. I am a manager. That is what you do, not who you are. From today, your identity is your fortress. I am a man of discipline. I am a man of my word. I am a warrior. You will write this down. You will repeat it every morning. Your actions will follow your identity. You do not act strong to become strong. You become strong, and then strong actions are your only logical outcome. This is not affirmations. This is programming. Step 5. The power of no. Your value is measured by what you reject. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't serve you, you say no to your own mission. Today, you will say no to one thing, to a pointless meeting, to a draining person, to an extra drink. No is a complete sentence. It does not require an explanation. It is the shield that protects your time, your energy, and your sanity. The protocol is active. The download is complete. The boy who was broken is gone. What remains is the architecture of a man. This is not the end. This is day 0. The first page of your new operating manual. The war for your soul is one ritual at a time. One no at a time. One reclaimed minute at a time. The path is clear. The tools are in your hands. Now, execute. The next evolution awaits. Subscribe.